In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Modern Combat 5 game on your computer or on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now to get started, go to your Windows computer or your laptop, and this can be done either on Windows 11 or Windows 10. From here, proceed and head down here on the taskbar and you'll see this icon. This is a Microsoft Store icon. Go ahead and click on it and it will take you to Microsoft Store. Alternatively, if you can't find this Microsoft Store shortcut here, go to Start menu here and then you should be able to see the icon for Microsoft Store. Go ahead and click on it and it will take you to Microsoft Store. From here, go ahead and find your game. If you can't find it, you can also use the game option here. If you go ahead and click on games, it will go ahead and display all the games you have on your computer. For my case, I just want to download this game because it is already available here and you can download it for free. Alternatively, if you can't find a game, you can also use the search function on top here. Just go ahead and type in the name of the game. For this case, Modern Combat. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. You'll be able to now download this game by clicking on Get. So if I go ahead and click on Get, the download process will be initiated and the game will be downloaded directly to your computer or on your laptop. Once the download is done, now you'll be able to find the game on your computer. When you go to Start menu, it should be under recently added apps. Then go ahead and click on it or just right click on it to pin it to Start menu and you should be able to access it from there. From now henceforth, you can now play the game. For my case, I'm not going to download it fully because I don't want to download this game on my computer. Now, once the download is done, it will be installed on your computer and now you'll see you'll have this function for play. So if you click on it, it will launch the game straight on your computer. Now, each time you want to find your game and play it, if you can't see or you can't find a shortcut for your game on your computer, then just go to Start menu here and you'll see your Modern Combat shortcut or game is available here. If you right click on it, you can pin it to Start menu so that each time you want to play the game, you can always launch it from here. Alternatively, you can as well drag and place it anywhere on your desktop and the shortcut will be added. So that's how you can download Modern Combat game on your Windows computer or laptop. If this video is helpful, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.